Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select which fields you would like to display on the BodyFast intermittent fasting application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then click on the Me button down below, which is the second option. Then at the top, select the plan history category and click on the settings button in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on statistics settings. Scroll down and here you can select which fields you would like to display, such as water tracker, fasted overall, body mass index, waist hip ratio, hip, waist, upper arm, thigh, chest, total circumference. So if you want to display any of these, all you have to do is tapping on the button on the right side of the screen, and once it turns green, it means that the selected field will be displayed. However, if you want to hide any of these, just click on the relevant one and then it will be hidden once the button turns to gray. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.